The Human Body as Construction Site by Domenico Meschino, available on Amazon. The construction site analogy is not just a metaphor, it is a revolutionary lens through which we can understand the human body, health, and life itself. By framing the body as a collaborative, interconnected system, this perspective breaks down complexity into something tangible, relatable, and universally accessible. This analogy does more than simplify. It empowers. It provides individuals with the tools to view their health holistically, understand the ripple effects of their choices, and take proactive steps to prevent diseases. It urges medical professionals to shift from siloed treatments to a collaborative approach, recognizing the intricate connections between organs and systems. It even transcends health, offering insights into organizational behavior, corporate wellness, and societal dynamics.